Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to day 12. Today is Monday, April 6th, 2020. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I do want to hear a little bit about your weekend. Um, and I'll tell you a little bit more about maybe what you can share today with me. So let me go ahead and get started. So today is Monday. I'm excited that you're here. This week will be the last week before we have spring break. We're going to have a whole week where you don't have to do any work, and then we're going to come back on, okay? Friday is actually part of the spring break. However, if you owe me work, please get it in by Friday, okay? Do Friday. All work, do Friday. All right, so here we go. English first. English language arts will be starting first. Try to do it in some kind of order so that you can get everything accomplished and not owe me any work. Let's go ahead and start taking a look at this habit huddle time. Today, I want to talk to you about habit number 3. As a school, we are putting pictures on Facebook for Taylor's Top Cats, putting first things first. So ask your parents to possibly share a picture of you putting first things first. For example, doing some family chores or possibly doing some schoolwork, doing some self care, maybe brushing your teeth in the morning and then getting started on your work. Anything like that that shows that you're putting first things first would be great. If your parents can share it in our Facebook page, that would be fabulous. Remember that first things first means putting work first, then going out to play. I spend my time on things that are most important. This means I should say no to things I should not do. I set my priorities, then I make a schedule and follow my plan. Are you guys putting a schedule together? Last week I talked about this. Are you putting something together to stay organized? I hear a lot of feedback from friends that they're doing certain type of work first for every single day, and then they're missing to do the work that maybe they don't like to do. So perhaps let's do a plan, put it in action so that the whole rest of this week, beginning today, today's a brand new day, beginning today, that you get everything done and you don't have to do any work during spring break. That would be awesome, right? All right. When you finish, remember there's that checklist. So that's our way to kind of help you stay focused on the things that needed to be completed. So make sure you check that checklist, okay? All right. So here we have our English language arts work. You have a daily passage, just like you did last Friday. Click on it, and it's going to take you to this page. This article is called Cake Chemist. Did you know that cooking is actually chemistry? So this is Rosanna, and she's going to give you some feedback about baking and how science has inspired some of these yummy treats. So you're going to hear all about it. Go ahead and watch the videos and read it. Constructing a chemistry lab cake. Lots of great information here. Go ahead and read it to its entirety. And then you're going to come back to your presentation. So you're going to go back to daily assignment. Remember that this is when we sometimes have to go in between daily assignment and your writing piece. So today, this is what it looks like. Let me show it to you. I'm going to open one up. And I am going to zoom in, guys. You definitely want to zoom in order. So this is your zoom in button, okay? So zoom into at least 100. And now you can see it a little bit better, okay? So go ahead and read the instructions. You're going to have to use the table below to reflect on what you just read and answer the question. So this is what you read, and this is where you write. Do drawings on paper if you would like, or go to the insert button. Remember how we taught you how to do insert and insert pictures. Now you won't be able to see it here because this I'm actually looking at Addison's work. She hasn't looked at this yet because I do this every night before your assignment is due. But this is where you're going to type the information, okay, guys? So where it says type in your answer, this is where you're going to write the theme of your party. So you're going to create, or you're going to inspire yourself to make a theme party and plan out 5 different treats and think about what you would make or what you would use to make a really spectacular cake or cupcake or cookie. and draw what each treat would look like. So you can search for ideas online. All right, so go ahead and type your answers here. This is where you're going to put the names of your treats, boys and girls. Go down, and this is where you're going to type in the name of your different treats. You can put a picture here or a drawing if you want to take a drawing of something, but you can also look it up and insert the pictures here. Also tell me what does it taste like. Type your answer here. I hope that's helpful. I'm going to go back to our presentation. This is independent reading. I will actually put in there our Padlets. So I'll do that in just a little bit. On reflection, math reflex is here. Missing digits addition here. And then this is where you're going to do your whole addition and subtraction classroom link work for you to hand in. Everybody has a copy. This is what it looks like, guys. Let me go over it. Same thing. You want to zoom in order to see it. Once you zoom in, you're going to see that you're going to have your math problem. You can't type here, but you can type here. This is where you're going to do your work. You need to write a word problem for this addition equation, and then I want you to solve it. I want you to show me your work the best you can right here on the screen, and then I want you to tell me what helped you solve the problem. And here you're going to type as well. Everything is done for you, so all you got to do is click on the information. Then there's a second page to this. So go ahead and hit the second page before you return it to me, okay? So you got to do both pages, boys and girls, and make sure you zoom in so you can see. This is the same digits. The only thing that now we're doing a subtraction problem. So it's absolutely the same. See how they're the same? One is addition, one is subtraction, not the same. All right, once you're done with this, you can move on to social studies. Click on the link. Everything will always be linked to your presentation. I have assigned it for everybody. You have to complete the form. The way you do this is you type in your name. You've done this already for me before, so it shouldn't be too hard, but just in case you've forgotten, type in your name. If I don't have your name, I do not know who it belongs to. Look at the picture. You're going to carefully study the photographs of South Carolina's Sandhills region. Then you're going to answer the questions below. These are the questions, and they all need to be answered. 1, 2, 3. I would love to see some complete sentences, please. Okay? All right, once you're done with this, you're going to go down to the inner and outer coastal plains and finish. You've done this already. So this is just a little bit more of the same. Make sure you do everything that it's required of you before you submit. And then I'm going to go back to the presentation. Once you're done with social studies, you can move on to your physical education class and do at least 25 minutes. Today we're doing enrichment. And you can show your work on a piece of paper. And if you want to take a picture of it and send it to me, that would be wonderful. Have your parents text it to me and I'll attach it. All right, very good. So no signs today. You will have signs tomorrow, so look out for that. Have a great Monday. Finish your work, and I'm excited to see all of your answers. Always happy to hear from you. So see you at 1:30. Be well. Have a great day.